Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete language on Duolingo. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Duolingo app. Make sure you have already downloaded. Once you open up it, it will open up this kind of interface. Here tap on three dot. Next tap on profile. And now tap on gear icon on top right corner. Now scroll down, or on top you can see that courses. Tap on it, and here you can see a list of languages that you have selected. Now if you want to delete it, simply tap on minus icon, and now tap on remove. This will delete your language course. Tap on remove button. So when you go back and again tap on courses, so here you cannot see Japanese language. So in this way you can delete particular language on Duolingo. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.